Good morning, children. I would like to welcome you all on the third lecture of your chapter 1, Introduction to Accounting. Today, we will going to discuss some important concepts, and our first concept is branches of accounting. There are basically three branches of accounting. The first branch of accounting is financial accounting. Financial accounting is the branch of accounting which record financial transaction and events, summarizes and interpret them before communicating the result to the user. It determines profit earned or loss incurred during an accounting period, usually a year, and the financial position on the date when the accounting period ends. The end product of a financial accounting is profit and loss for the period ended, which shows the profit earned or loss incurred, and the balance sheet as on the last day of accounting period, which shows the financial position. In short, financial accounting is confined to be prepared the financial statements, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, for the users of accounting information. Our next branch of accounting is cost accounting. This branch of accounting is concerned with ascertaining cost of product, operations, processes or activity. It is that branch of accounting which deals with recording cost with the object of ascertaining, reducing and controlling cost. Our third type of branch is management accounting. Management accounting is the most recently developed branch of accounting. It is concerned with generating accounting information relating to the funds, cost, profit, etc. As it enables the management in decision making, we may say that management accounting addresses the need of a single use of group, that is management. So all these three kinds of accounting is very important. Now after that we will going to discuss the another topic, that is what is the main difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Now what do you mean by bookkeeping? Let us begin with a small definition. Bookkeeping is an art of recording in the book of account the monetary aspect of commercial and financial transaction, or we can say that bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealing in a set of books. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting, being a process of recording financial transaction and event in the book of account. Though bookkeeping involves identifying financial transaction and event, measuring them in the term of money, recording the identified financial transaction and event in the book of account, and classifying recorded transaction and event, that is posting them into the ledger. Now, accounting is a wider concept than bookkeeping. It starts where bookkeeping ends. In other words, bookkeeping is a part of accounting. It is a secondary stage. It begins where bookkeeping ends. In other words, bookkeeping is a part of accounting. The third one is management accounting. Accounting is a systematic knowledge of accounting. It maintains the books of accounts and how to summarize the accounting information and communicating to the user. Accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and practice of account. Now, our third concept is users of accounting. User of accounting accounting information may be categorized into internal user or external user. There are three types of internal user. One is called owner. Owner contribute capital in the business and thus are exposed to the maximum risk. Naturally, they are interested in knowing the profit earned or loss incurred by the business besides the safety of their capital. Management, number two, management. The management makes extensive use of accounting information to arrive at informed decisions such as determination of selling price, cost control and reduction. The third point is employees, or we can say that workers. Employees and workers are entitled to bonus at the year end, which is linked to the profit earned by enterprises. Therefore, the employees and the workers are interested in financial statements. Besides, the financial statements also reflect whether the enterprises has deposited its dues towards employees' provident fund and employees' state insurance, etc., or not, with the appropriate authority. Our second type of user is external user. The first type of external user is bank and financial institution. Bank and financial institutions are an essential part of any business as they provide loan to the business. Naturally, they watch the performance of the business to know whether it is making progress as projected to ensure the safety and recovery of the loan, advances, and the payment of the interest. The second type of external user, investors or potential investors. Investors and potential investors involve risk, and also the investors do not have the direct control over the business affairs. Therefore, they rarely rely on the accounting information available to them and seek answer to the questions such as what is the earning capacity of the enterprise and how safe is their investment. The third one is creditor. Creditor are those parties who supply goods and services on credit. It is common business practice that a large number of suppliers remain invested in the credit sale. Before granting credit, creditors satisfy themselves about the credit worthiness of the business. The financial statement help them in making such decision. Fourth one is government and its authorities. The government makes an use of financial statements to compile national income and account to the other information. The information available to it enable it to take policy decision. The next one is researchers. Researchers use accounting information in their research work. The next one is consumers. Consumer required accounting information for establishing goods accounting control so that cost of production may be reduced with the result or reduction in the prices of goods or products they buy. Sometimes prices of the some products are fixed by government, so it need accounting information to fix fair prices. The next one is public. They want to see the business running since it makes substantial contribution to the economy in many ways. Example, employment of people, to supplies, etc. The financial accounting provides useful financial information to various use group for decision making. Thank you so much.